My name is Abhishek. I am currently working as a quality engineering manager with Elsevier India. I do lead a diverse team of 30 plus QAs across the globe. So we would require a large QA team who manually would do that, because the automation just covers a fraction of it, because we can run on Chrome. The part is done, but what about the Safari? So when we have these limitations, different blocks of limitations, the entire release become more dependent, and we have to spend more time, almost a week, maybe like 5 to 6 days, just to ensure the entire quality is being tested thoroughly and covered. This is where BrowserStack eliminated this dependency factor. It provides more than 3,500 types of real devices OS combinations. There are multiple BrowserStack products that we are using currently. The major of them is App Automate, Web Automate, and Web Live. If we go through each and every reports manually, it takes a lot of time and effort. BrowserStack clearly has an edge over this, because it not only provides a video file, it also indicates which part of the video we need to click on, so that to see what failure has happened independently. The network logs attached to it. So now you have the infrastructure where you don't need to invest your time. We reduce our entire timeline because we have the infrastructure ready, where QEs don't need to think about. It's just a configuration file. You run your feature file against all these combinations, get it done, get your reports out, and we are ready with it. Release velocity, I can say we have improved by 30 to 40%. This is one of the major KPI that we have. Now the execution time that used to take 2+ hours, we segregated them, trigger independently on these 34 threads or maybe 20+ threads on mobile. This entire combinations reduce the execution time by at least 60 to 70%. We don't need to spend 2 to 3 hours, because when you run on your internal CI/CD pipelines, you have limited set 4 to 5 automation threads to execute. But BrowserStack given us that. Now we reduced it to 15 minutes because we have everything ready. And the bridge between investigation and LLM context, this is where BrowserStack MCP is actually helping us. So 5 device, 5 browser testing now has been done into one single click. So you can check on Chrome, the remaining browsers can be tested by BrowserStack independently. And all your reports are there in the customer analytics dashboard. So that's how we improved our release velocity. Execution time, we have improved at least 30 to 40%.